Yo, what's happening, everybody? You got Scott Rayleigh here, back again, talking to you guys today about an amazing stock called Lucid. I've been talking about this since the last week and a half now on my channel, and how excited I've been because they're actually delivering cars, guys. And Jim Cramer talked about them the other day. He brought out the CEO on a phone call, and there's been nothing but great news coming just in the last, every day, there's great news, guys, for Lucid stock. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chart here. I'm looking at the Webull chart. And what I love, guys, is you got a hit here at 50. So it hit a support here at 50 Lucid. And in pre-market this morning, it ran all the way to $61, guys. I've been telling you on my channel, I really like the $45 support and the $40 support, guys. So let's go ahead and go over some of these articles that are coming out every day, guys. A new article about something good, about the reports, about the sales, about, how about the other electric car companies like RIVN or Fisker? Both are having amazing runs, guys. But Lucid, I like the most because they just seem like they have it all together. They have the Motor Trend of the Year car award. And I don't think anybody really understands that. But if you go to Kelley Blue Book and you look at cars and the value of cars, they give out an award every year to, the car that had the best design, the best comfortability, the best driving, the best power. And 2022, Lucid already won. They have this car called the Air, guys. And it's pretty cool. So let me go ahead and show my screen. I just want to say, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for your comments too, because I see some of the videos that I made about the EV sector, electric vehicles, and the energy sector, guys. So if you like the EV sector, you're going to love the energy sector because that is the charging stations. That's like the Voltas and the Blink charging for your home and business charging stations. So as this bill gets signed in the energy funding of $1 trillion funding, guys, it's going to affect the energy stocks like we already see it affecting them, which then affects the EV market, the EV cars and trucks. So it's exciting, guys. So let's go ahead and share my screen here. And we're going to go over the Market Watch. I love Market Watch, guys. Market Watch is one of my favorite places to hang out, especially when I'm looking at the average order volume. I love to watch the average order volume. And I'll show you here on the left-hand side of the screen, you will see average order volume, guys. It's got to be at least 300%, at least 500%. I was watching Lucid not too long ago, and it was over 1,000%, guys, just a few days ago. And it's constantly, so when you're watching a stock, you need to make sure it's got really high unique average volume order. And I also love to look at the performance, guys. So always go to Market Watch and look at your performance, the 1 year, the year to date, the 3 month, the 1 month, and the 5 day. If it's all green, that's great. Now, what I also want to show you guys is these articles that come out. They're coming out every day, November 15th, November 17th, November 16th. They're here, guys. And then you have other news down here, which is other companies doing press releases and press articles. Well, one of them that I found I really like, guys, and it's going over the Lucid Air. The reservations are soaring, guys. So this is the same car that won the Motor Trend of the Year, guys. This car right here, it's called the Air. And I love it. I love the inside. I love the outside. I love the style. I love the power. I love the how it goes really far. They're making it in Arizona too, guys. So if you guys like Arizona and you like, this is American made and they're building it here, and they got it over 520 miles, guys, on a single charge. They are the real deal. They have the quality and the classiness. So guys, how many of you like what you see already? Do you guys like the Lucid? Have you seen the stock? So I've been telling you guys what I love about it is it's got a great support here at 40 or 45. So guys, last week load up under 35 or under 40. But if you guys can continue to load up here, you know, as low as you can, at least under 50. I know the stock just hit under 50 today. It had a hit of 50 support here. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at that again, guys. Let's take a look at the Webull. I love the Webull charts. Amazing Webull charts, guys. So let me go ahead and pull that over here so you guys can take a look at that. So Lucid here is hanging out around $52. It hit off 50. It hit off 50, guys. And it was up at 62 pre-market. So it's going to play between this window right here, guys. So like probably it's going to play between 48, 46, support upwards of 60 resistance or $58 resistance. So watch this stock, put it on your radar, put it on your watch list, and look at opportunities to buy Lucid under 50, under 45. You know, if you guys can get it lower, obviously keep it going. But this one has the potential, and it has nothing but great news. You know, if Jim Cramer talks about it, he gets you on the, you know, he wants to interview the CEO. That is great news. If Lucid has high reservations, that is great news. If they're, you know, making their batteries go over 500 miles, that is great news, guys. So it's just nothing but unstoppable news. The motor trend of the year, incredible news. So for me, that's big. That means like your product speaks for itself. That's everything when it comes to a business, is your product has to be key. That's why Tesla is so good. Everyone loves their cars. So that is the idea, guys. I think this one has the true potential to run over 100, to keep going, you know, because the news hasn't really caught up with itself. It's not like, oh, here's one cool article. Yeah, that's nice. No, it's been one after another. So I don't think it has the possibility to slow down. Right? So that's why I'm shooting this video. Like this channel, subscribe, guys. We're going to be talking about other energy vehicle stocks in the same market. I like Fisker. So if you guys like Fisker, take a look at them. I truly think that they have a lot of potential, guys. Fisker Stock, they're incredible. So I will go ahead and show you guys real quick. I'll go ahead and pull up Fisker. You guys can take a look at what I'm talking about. We're going to go ahead and pull them up here on Market Watch. And they had a great morning as well. That's what I want to tell you guys. They had a great morning, and they're down 9% here. They're hitting support around $21, guys. $21, and they were upwards of about $23.60 this morning, pre-market. $23.60, and they're down here about $21, guys. So yeah, the window is not as big as Lucid. The news is probably not as much as Lucid. Lucid is probably the best one to go with, the best one to play with right now. But you see here, Fisker is loading up too. The news is amazing. If you just scroll through the news, guys, you will see here that it's got a ton of great articles. And then if you look at the other news here or any press releases, okay, we got some press releases that were today. Reveals intent version of Fisker Ocean. Okay, interesting. He joins the Manhattan Beach Mayor sneak peek Ocean famous pier. So there's something going on with Fisker. There's some news, and so it's interesting, guys. This is really cool. They're sharing the price of their sport level at $37. That's actually pretty reasonable, guys. The only downside to Lucid is the price of the car. It starts off at like $70,000 for their price for like the minimum package, and it can go all the way up to $160,000. So that's probably a good thing. It probably means that they're going to be profitable and they're going to make a lot of money. And who doesn't love a car that goes over 500 miles on one single charge? That to me is impressive. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at Fisker. Let's see the possibilities here. They have a lot of potential. You see the performance here. It's great, great performance, guys. And then let's look at the average volume here. We got over 253% average volume. So you know that this is exciting. People are investing in this stock right now. And they're probably looking for a run at least to 25, guys. So 20 to 25, 20 to 25. Look out for Fisker. Look out for Lucid. Both incredible companies that are doing things, that actually have a car. They're producing a car, you know. And did you guys ever follow what happened with Nikola? They had this great idea, electric truck. You know, everyone was investing in the company, but they actually never delivered a product. They never came out with anything. So that's what I love about Lucid, is they're actually delivering cars. They got the motor trend of the year. They got Jim Cramer interviewing the CEO. They just got all this incredible you know, like news coming out, and you want that, guys. You want to be a part of something that's moving and shaking. You don't want to be like, oh, I really like this stock, I wish some news came out today. No, there's news coming out every day. And yet I don't think the stock really reflects what the news has been doing. Like if Jim Cramer talks about a company, usually it jumps like at least 50%. You know what I mean? So that happened yesterday while it was already running. So that is the potential, guys. I wanted to share this with you. Definitely take a look at this. Look at the, oh guys, we're getting a run. We're getting a run right here on the Webull charts. It just jumped from $52, guys. I'm looking at it right now. I'm going to show my screen. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about here. Let me look at Webull. Boom, boom, boom. You guys see it. Look at that right there. Boom. It just had a nice jump here. And what that means is it's showing bullish signs, guys. Bullish signs. So it just ran from 52 to 53.30. It's going to run to maybe 53.50 or $54, guys. It's going to run to right now. So it just ran from 52 to 54 almost. And we're going to see this thing consolidate right here between 50 to 55. And get excited, guys. This is what it's all about. This is power right here. This is power because we're almost like predicting what's going to happen before it even happens. You know, I've been talking about this stock for since I opened my YouTube channel, guys. So I want to say I appreciate you guys. If you guys like the EV sector, you like what's going on, you like the potential, because I love it. And I want you guys to make sure that you win in the stock market. You know, you don't want to bag hold. You don't want to hold, you know, bags. Guys, so find the support levels, look for the opportunities, and let me know if you have any ideas of stocks that you like, that you want me to take a look at. I will do a review. I'll do a live video like this. You guys can take a look, and we can look at some live stocks together. So follow what I'm showing, follow what I'm teaching, and you guys should do very, very well with the stock market. So happy investing, guys. Appreciate you. Take care, and let's go ahead and let's make it a successful end of the year. Happy investing, happy making money in the stock market. I mean, it's so much fun, guys, right? Like, it's incredible. Look at this. I love this. I love it. So enjoy my video here, and I'm out. Take care, guys. Yeah.